Hello everybody, welcome to this new lesson. In this lesson we will know how to create an animated with only pure CSS and HTML. The code would be linked as usual in the description of this video. So let's go to the code and say what do we have. Okay, first of all I will create here an empty HTML file. I will say new, right click, new HTML. I will call it, for example, loading 13. And inside this I will create a div. Inside the I will create, for example, let's see, unordered list, and inside this unordered list I'll create a list item, and inside this list item I'll write the text I want. I will see web, and we have here the next element would be design. Let's see here, capital web design and صفحتك. .com. Great. Let's create another file which would be a style sheet file. We'll call it style. Okay, we'll link these files together. I'll see over here link, and over here I'll see href is style sheet, type is text, and the relation is style sheet. Now over here we'll create the the style I wanted. For example, over here I will say body. I need the body to be padding 0, margin 0, and the background margin 0, and the background I will choose a background color which would be let's choose any color we need it. Let's see color, and over here I will see hash, and I'll choose a color. Let's see that color. The next element is the position, which would be absolute, and from top and bottom I will say top. It would be let's see 50%. From left it would be also 50%. The transform would be translate, and over here I will say negative 50% and also negative 50%. Great. Then I'll go to the next element, which would be the unordered list, the list inside it. The list inside it, we need to get the text align. Let's say it would be center. The font family, we will see Tahoma, and we have the another, which is list style. It would be let's see none. The next element, we will see the color. What are the color we want to create it? I will see the color would be that color, or any color we want. Then I will see the font size, which would be 3 em, for example, and letter spacing we will say it would be 15 pixel or 13 pixel, or let's see 10 pixel. Great. Then I will see the animation. I will have it. I will see animation, animate, and I will see 1.5 seconds, and linear infinite means loop forever. The next element would be the let's see what the keyframes of the animation. Let's see keyframes, and over here I'll see animate, and I will see from 0%. We need it to do the following. We need to animate to change the color and the shadow. I will see the color we needed to change, so it could be over here blue. And the next element would be the text shadow. We need text shadow also to change. For example, let's see now I will set to none, but from the next element it will be changing to another. Let's see here it would be from 100%, and the color will change to red. For example, over here I'll change the color to be red, and let's make it a little bit lighter. Then I'll change the shadow, which would be, for example, 0, then 7 pixel. Then the color we wanted, I will say this color would be that color. Then the next element would be the same, 50 pixel. Should make it space over there. So then the color of the next shadow. So as we learned that we could add as many shadows as we want. I will change the color of the shadow. I will say it would be that color, and the next would be, for example, let's say that color. Great. Let's change the shadow over here. I would say it would be that light blue, yellow. Great. Save it. Now if we saved and double click the element over here and see what we have. Okay, this is the text, the design that we have over here. There's no action till yet. I will create the action over here. The action would be delayed for 1.5 seconds, but we will change the action over here. I will say the unordered list inside it, the child, which is nth child, the first child. I need the animation to delay. I will say animation delay, so it could be delayed for 0.4 second. Let's duplicate this element for 3 times. With the number of elements over here, we have 3 elements, so I will say the first, second, and third. Over here we will say it would be 8, so we'll increment it with 4, and here I will say 1.2 seconds. Let's refresh over here and see what we have. Okay, so I think we have missed something. Let's ensure that we have over here from 0%, the color would be that color, and it would change to this color. Great. Okay, so is this the same? It's not. So the problem is in the animate word. Now it's working as we have designed it. We could change the color over here to be, for example, this color. I will tell you what. From red it would be, this color is, or that color would be better, I think. See that? Let's refresh. Great. Now it's better than the previous one. So it could be loaded until we finish the loading of the page. This was the lesson. Thanks for watching and listening, and see you again. Bye.